Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to follow your friends on the Threads app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Threads application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your Instagram account to log in. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the homepage from which you will be able to see various different threads made by other users. Now, if you wish to follow your friends, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner and this will take you to your profile page. Now tap on menu icon from your profile page at the top right and you will see the follow and invite friends option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can choose to follow your Instagram friends by tapping on Instagram friends option. You will now see all of your friends that you have on Instagram. Just tap on the follow button alongside the user that you wish to follow by filtering through your Instagram friend list. You can also tap on the follow all option and this will follow all the Instagram profiles that also have a Threads account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to follow your friends on the Threads app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.